In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a compelling landing page using Wix. Whether you're looking to engage visitors or boost conversions, a well-crafted landing page is essential. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily create one using Wix Editor or Wix Studio in Chrome. First things first, you want to make sure you're using Google Chrome as your browser. This ensures the best compatibility and performance when working within the Wix environment. Once you're all set up, open the Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Now here's where the fun begins. Look for the option to create a new page. You'll notice a button labeled Create New Page. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with a variety of options, including landing page templates. You have the choice of selecting one of these pre-designed templates, which can be an excellent starting point, especially if you want something quick and visually appealing. Alternatively, you can choose to start with a blank page if you wish to customize everything from scratch. This approach offers the most flexibility and room for creativity. Whichever option you choose, the key elements you'll want to include are coming right up. A headline is crucial. It captures visitor attention and communicates your primary message. Make it bold, clear, and enticing. Next, you'll incorporate a call to action, often referred to as a CTA. This could be a button or link encouraging users to take a specific action, such as signing up, purchasing, or downloading something. Don't forget to add some images. They are powerful tools that can make your landing page visually engaging and help in communicating your message effectively. In addition to that, think about including forms. Forms are essential if your goal is to collect visitor information or encourage signups. Now that you have your elements in place, it's time to focus on the design and layout for optimal conversion. This step involves adjusting the placement, color, font, and overall appearance of each element to make sure that they not only look great but also function to guide your visitors towards a specific action. Consider the user experience. Ensure your CTA is prominent and easy to find. Maintain a balance between text and visual elements to keep the layout clean and uncluttered. Wix offers a range of design tools to help you achieve the look you want. With your landing page designed and optimized, it's time to save your work. Saving is crucial to make sure you don't lose any of your progress, so click the Save button frequently. Once you're satisfied, publish your page to make it live. Publishing your page is the final step, and it's what brings all your hard work into the spotlight. Congratulations, you've successfully created a landing page using Wix. With these steps, you're on your way to optimizing visitor engagement and achieving your desired outcomes.